Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can add the border in Google Docs. So let's get started. Simply what we have to do, we have to open the Google Docs here. So I'm going to open it. We have to click on this first link. And now simply we have to click on this sign in option here. So I'm going to click on it. And as you can see, I'm going to cut this one here. Now we have to open the blank document here. So I'm going to click on this blank document. So as you can see now the Google Docs is open here. Now simply what we have to do, we have to go to the insert here, and after going to the insert here, you will be able to see the table option here. So we have to go to the table option, and then we have to click on this one icon one by one. So we have to create this, and after creating this, as you can see now the border is created. Now we just need to adjust the border according to our need. It's up to you that depending on your content, depending on your need, you can resize your border wherever you want to set the directions of this. These four sizes are provided here. So in this way you can create a border in Google Docs file. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.